So I'm here down by the Bosque River over by Iredell, and I'm gonna put in and see if I can find some vitis rupestris. Vitis rupestris is a grape that primarily just grows within the river flow, the banks, and I'm gonna see if I can find it. It's relatively restricted range, so I may or may not find some, but I'm gonna give it my best shot and we'll see what we find. Well, we're out on this quiet stretch of the river. We're gonna talk a little bit about what I'm looking for. Vitis rupestris, relatively rare grape in Texas at least. Used to have a broad range that went from roughly Del Rio up till around Dallas and Fort Worth in Texas. Pretty much all the Edwards Plateau hill country. In the late 1800s, early 1900s, its range was drastically reduced for unknown reasons. Some think it was cattle eating it, you know, because they do eat it, but to me it's hard to believe that cattle could eat enough of a species to wipe it out, especially a species that specializes in living within riverbanks. But who knows? I don't claim to be an expert on that. Anyway, it's been used a lot in grape breeding, especially for rootstocks, and that's why I'm interested in it. I'm a grape breeder, a hobbyist grape breeder, and there's not a whole lot of variety of specimens or individuals in collections, and I'm trying to find new examples of the species in the wild, so I have some different genetics to work with. Paddling down the Bosque River. There's a little bit of rapids up here, little scours. Keep an eye out for vitis rupestris. I'm going to shoot these little bitty. These rapids are really shallow, and so I'm having to get out and walk some of the time because there's just not enough water to float the boat, even a shallow draft boat like this. I went up to a small set of rapids. See if I can run these without tipping over. We'll soon find out. We made it. Maybe not a professional bit of kayaking, but I'm not a professional kayaker. Just a quiet section of the river. I actually have enough water to float here, which is great. Better than all the really shallow rocky rapids we've been going through, having to get out and push the boat and all that. This definitely beats that. Beautiful waterfall. So we're on a river scour in the Bosque River near Iredell, and we got some Vitis mustagensis here, the Mustang grape. But over here we have what we came looking for on this river. We have Vitis rupestris. We did find it. Now this looks like a lot because you can see it all up and down here, but I am pretty sure it's only one plant because I see male inflorescences on it and they're past bloom and I don't see any berries. It's all the same plant.